Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be talking about how to change your profile picture in Trello. So first of all, you go to the main menu as you guys can see, and then you got to click on the top right. So I'm going to click on it, and then you're going to click on manage your account. And then after that, you're going to see the screen. It says profile invisibility. You're going to click on profile invisibility if you did not. And then you're going to click on your profile picture. You can also change your header image, which is like the banner on YouTube. So you can click on it, and then you're going to create initial avatars if you want, or you can add a profile picture. I'm going to create a profile picture. I'm going to click on downloads, and I'm going to use one of the masks that I have, and that's basically it. So that's how you put your profile picture. You can also add initial avatars. Like let's say your name, your initials are like AT. You can like change it to AT and change the green, yellow if you want. You can also do that. So that's like the original one. So you can change the original picture of yours, and you can also change the header picture by uploading an image. And that's basically it for this video. That's how you do it. You can also change the settings to visible to like only you and anyone. Yeah, so that was it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you all so much, and see y'all.